In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Proforma Invoice in Zoho Books. We'll go through the process from opening your Zoho Books account to adjusting the template so your document is clearly labeled as a Proforma Invoice. This is especially useful when you want to send a customer a preliminary billing document before issuing a final invoice. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Sales. Inside the Sales section, click Quotes. Since a Proforma invoice is commonly created from a quote layout in Zoho Books, this is where we'll start. Next, click Create New Quote. This opens the quote creation page, where you'll need to enter the necessary information. Add the customer name and any other required details for the document. Depending on your setup, this may include items, quantities, pricing, dates, and any other quote information you want to include. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate, because this document should still look professional and complete when it's shared. Once the details are entered, the next step is to make sure the document itself looks the part by updating the template so it clearly identifies the quote as a Proforma invoice. To do that, click the gear icon to access settings. From there, go to PDF Templates. Inside the PDF Templates area, click Quotes. This is where Zoho Books lets you manage the appearance and structure of your quote documents. At this point, you can either create a new template or select an existing one. If you want to keep your standard quote format unchanged, creating a separate template can be a smart choice. In this example, we'll edit an existing template, so click Edit. After opening the template editor, click Transaction Details. Then click Document Details. In this section, look for the field labeled Show Document Title. This is the key setting that changes how the document is presented to your customer. In that title field, enter Proforma Invoice. Make sure the wording appears exactly the way you want it shown on the final PDF. Once you've done that, click Save. And that's it. You've now updated your Zoho Books quote template so it displays as a Proforma invoice, helping you present the document more clearly and professionally. If you use this often, keeping a dedicated template for Proforma invoices can save time and help maintain consistency across your documents.